everybody! Welcome back to Fiona's Fun Play. And guess what? Today I'll give you a hint. No one in the world could love her daughter more than her father. Yep, it's Father's Day! So, today I'm going to do some special things and I love my dad. So today I'm going to first do like a special Father's Day card, and then we're going to move on to the next thing, and it's a surprise. So let's go. Now I'm going to make the Father's Day card. I'm going to show you how it will look like. Okay, these are the beautiful Father's Day cards. I wonder what my dad will choose, and they both look great. One with buttons and one with the bow tie. Well, and also you can write surprising notes inside. Okay, well now let's get started. You need 2 different types of paper. Make it into the size you want, and then put them together and glue one side. Don't glue the other side because we're going to use it. So glue it with a glue. We are going to cut this in the middle like this. Make it be short or it's not going to be, there's just going to be up. And then you're going to just fold this part in the side, and then fold the other part in the side too. And then you're going to glue this part so it looks like a shirt. Just glue it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make the bow. You need 2 strips like this, one thicker, one smaller. And then you will need a glue stick. Make a ring like this. Okay, we got our card ready. Now we just need to write something inside. Are you wondering what I wrote in my Father's Day card? Well, I'm going to show you. Okay. Happy Father's Day, Daddy, by Fiona. Okay. And did you know Father meant something? It meant this. F is for forever with his family. A is for always there for you. And T is for the only one who's there. And H is for he's my hero till the end. And E is for encouraging in everything I do. And R is for really the only one. And that's really you, Daddy. Let's go and give this Father's Day card to my father. And I don't know which one my dad will pick, but let's go. Father's Day card for you.
Thank you.
This reading spot is really good, and this book is really good too. It's all about Father's Day, and some things are related because me and my dad do it too. I'll read some pages. My dad and I buy matching hats. Then it's time to eat pizza. I hope you did the same things with your dad. Let's play with my nice slime. It's so stretchy and so satisfying.
Hello, Fiona.
What?
Today is Father's Day, right?
Yeah.
And I have gift for you.
A gift for me? Really?
Yes, it's a surprise gift.
Are you kidding me?
It's a surprise. Put this blindfold.
Is it real? I think it's real. I'll put on the blindfold and come. Okay, I think you're pranking me because I walked a long way here. And it's chilly. Okay, let's see. There's something here. Like, I'm just going to take off my blindfold. Really a gift? Oh, that's so sweet. And I don't know what's going to be in here. Yay, I got a gift! Let's go and open it. I just can't believe I got a gift, and I don't know what's inside. Like, this box is already big, so I think it's a big present. Tape off. Roller skates! I always wanted roller skates! Oh my gosh! A roller skates! Oh my god, it's heavy! I can't wait! Okay. Oh, these are so big. And they also turn into roller skates and also roller blades. That's so much fun. Oh, these are kind of hard. And I love the color. It has pink also and some purple. Both of my favorite colors. I love rollerblades. Thank you, Daddy. This is the best Father's Day ever. I love you, Daddy. About dads. Did you know behind every great daughters there's a truly amazing father? Do you look at my heart? Did you know your father will hold your hand for a short time, but he will hold your heart forever? Dad, you have always been the closest. You know why? Because you always say yes when Mom says no, and not because you got the roller blades. I'm saying it from my heart. Happy Father's Day for all, and also my grandpa, my uncle.